What if I told you? You don't need a degree. You don't need investment. And you don't need to wait 30 days to get paid. There are real websites in the UK and USA that pay you daily or within 24 hours for simple online work. Not crypto scams. Not fake apps. These platforms are already paying thousands of people every day. Watch till the end, because website 7 can pay you the same day you start. Why daily pay websites matter. Most people quit online work because they wait weeks for payment. They lose motivation or they get scammed. Daily pay websites solve one problem. Fast cash equals fast motivation ***. Let's get into it. Website 1 is Fiverr, UK and USA. Best for freelancing, writing, AI work, voice, and design. Fiverr allows you to offer small services called gigs. Get paid per task. Withdraw earnings daily after clearance. Good news. You don't need professional skills. People earn money on Fiverr by writing short captions, using ChatGPT to write articles, AI voiceovers, simple Canva designs, payment methods, PayPal, Bank Payoneer, daily pay tip. Once your account is cleared, you can withdraw every day. Website is people per hour UK focused, works worldwide. Best for beginners in writing and online tasks. This is a UK-based freelancing platform trusted by small businesses, UK startups, bloggers. You can earn by writing emails, data entry, social media posts, website editing. Many UK freelancers earn £20 to £100 per day. Payment. PayPal. Bank transfer. Withdraw as soon as a job is approved. Website 2 is Swagbucks. Just by watching videos, answering questions, and using the internet like you already do? Yes, this is real and it works in the UK and USA. Swagbucks is one of the most trusted earning websites in the world. Millions of people use it every day to earn instant cash and rewards. And the best part? You don't need skills. You don't need experience. And you can start right now. How you make money on Swagbucks. On Swagbucks, you earn points called SB points by doing simple tasks. Answer short surveys. Watch short videos. Play mobile games. Shop online like normal. Search the web. These are things you already do. Swagbucks just pays you for it. Daily pay system. Once you earn enough SB points, you can cash out the same day. You get paid through PayPal, real cash, Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards. Many users cash out daily or every 1 to 2 days. Website 3 is ourev.com. Best for transcription and captions. If you can understand English clearly, you can make money here. Work includes typing what you hear, short audio files, YouTube captions. Stopwatch. Some tasks take only 10 to 15 minutes. Payment. Weekly automatic payment. But you can work daily and stack earnings. Not instant, but very reliable. Website 4 is Clickworker. Best for small tasks, quick cash. Clickworker pays you for simple surveys, categorizing data, writing short descriptions, AI training tasks. Each task pays small amounts, but they add up quickly. Payment methods. PayPal, Bank. Many users withdraw money multiple times per week. Website 5 is Microworkers. Best for instant small tasks. This site is perfect if you want no skills, no experience, no interview. Tasks include website testing, app feedback, short comments, simple online actions. Dollar banknote tasks pay from 50 cents to $10 plus. Withdraw. PayPal, Skrill crypto. Some users cash out daily. Website 6 is user testing. Best for website and app reviews. Companies pay you to visit websites, share your opinion, record your screen plus voice. No tech skills required. Just honest feedback. Earnings. $10 to $60 per test. Tests take 10 to 20 minutes. Payment. PayPal. Fast and trusted. Website 7 is local gigs plus Facebook Marketplace, same day pay. Most underrated method. This is not a website, this is a hack. You can offer online writing, AI content creation, resume writing, voiceovers, social media posts. Post your service on Facebook Marketplace. Local Facebook groups. Craigslist, USA. Gumtree, UK. Many people get paid the same day via PayPal or Cash App. Important truth, don't skip this. Daily pay does not mean easy money without effort. You need to focus on things and give your valuable time, and definitely you get successful. To succeed, be consistent. Deliver fast. Be honest. Start small. Avoid get rich quick promises. Asking for money to join. Fake apps. Here are some beginner action plan, very important. If you're starting today, do this. Create PayPal or Payoneer. Join Fiverr plus Clickworker. Offer one simple service. Work daily for 1 to 2 hours. 5. Withdraw small amounts, build trust, scale. You don't need luck. You don't need connections. You just need one honest start. Daily income builds confidence. Confidence builds consistency. Consistency builds freedom. Comment daily pay if you want a part 2. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe for real online income methods, no scams.